Hi guys, on this video I will show you how to get your Deriv CRO number for payment agent funding. A lot of traders have been given the complaint of not being able to navigate to the section where they can get their correct CRO number for payment agent funding. A lot of you always make the mistake of coming to this point where we have the CRW. This is not the one we need for your payment agent funding. The CRW is not what you use for payment agent funding, but I think it is easily accessible than the correct CRO. So because of that, a lot of people always tend to send the CRW. It is not what your agents need. So let me guide you on how you are going to get the correct CRO for payment agent funding. This is your home page when you log in your Deriv account. Now navigate to Wallet, the bottom bar here. The bottom bar here where we have Wallet, click on it. When you click on it, it will open. Then you will see My Wallet. The CRO I told you is not the right one. It's still up there, not that one. Then you scroll down a little. You see other payment methods. We have payment agents. Click on payment agents. This is it here. Payment agents. Click on it. Okay. So we have your CRO up here. This is it. This thing we have here, this is your CRO number. This is your CRO. Let me highlight it again. The CRO 10141871 for my own account. So you will see yours too. This is the CRO. You see that you copy it this way, copy it and send to your agent, or you tap on the copy icon we have here. You see that it has shown on the screen that it has copied. You can now forward to your agent. The moment you forward to your agent, they will be able to fund your account. So this is how you can get your correct CRO number. Now we have a list of agents here. I believe you already know this already. And I know a lot of you might be wondering that why did I just search for Vibeclip and not trying to scroll down or whatever. Vibeclip is an agent I work with. Vibeclip is an agent we work with on Vibeclip Pay. Vibeclip Trading Academy is under Vibeclip Payment Agent. So that is why I navigated to Vibeclip Pay. For those of you that are looking for a trusted agent, I recommend Vibeclip. We work with Vibeclip as a company. Good luck and I wish you all the best in your trading.